Welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to earn or get gold bars in Candy Crush Soda. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush Soda. Then after, you can see at the top in the middle, you can see a golden bar. Tap on it. There you can see the option of plus icon. Tap on it. Then over here you can see at the bottom you can see gold bars. You can buy it, but don't worry, you don't have to do that. You can also use combo goodies to win some gold bars by tap on claim. You might be lucky to get a gold bar as well. Tap to open. I got a lollipop hammer, but don't worry, you can also get a gold bar in it. You can complete over here, you can see the option of activities. Here, if you complete all the activities, if you are on the top, you might get a chance to win a gold bar as well. Keep on leveling up like a pro, then also you can also buy it from the shop by paying dollars like this. You have so many offers, combo offers with gold bars like this. They also have special offers monthly and weekly. Over here you can see many options to buy gold bars. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like,